Hello and welcome to Getting Rich. My name is Zeki. I got a new video for you guys. Today I'll actually tell you how to get rich. Before we start, let's take a moment to thank you guys for all the support. I've been watching my channel slowly growing, and I really appreciate the effort that you guys put into this and that you guys like my content. Yeah, let's start. I've showed you guys in the past some ways to make money online. Getting rich isn't going to be easy. It's not. How everyone is going to tell you, like, yo, this is easy, getting rich. No, it's not. Unless you know how to crack the code. Well, let's take a moment today. I got like some things. I'll tell you how to get rich. And that is if like you could save your income, having a 9 to 5 job. You can get there having a job, You can get a nice house, get a nice car, have a nice family, maybe even become a millionaire someday. But to actually like get rich on becoming a multi-millionaire, matter of fact, a billionaire, you need to have an own company, that's for sure. But that's going to be for the future. It's going to be a long road for real. And yeah, I got some ways to tell you like what you need to do. Well, first of all, if you're young, I don't know how old you are. The viewers who's watching right now, probably you're around 20. Maybe that age. So what you need to do is you need to look for a way that is going to get you a lot of money. Well, you could probably get into college, get a degree, and not just any kind of degree. You need a set of skill. So then you're asking yourself like, what do you need? And you will need a high income skill. What is a high income skill? Well, a high income skill, it says for itself, it's a skill you need to learn to get a high income. So I've got some right here. One of it is data analysis. Data analysis, it's going to get you a job for 100K a year annually. Not, when you're very experienced with it, but it could get you like 100K a year. Now you're thinking like, all right, data analysis, probably another thing what I want to do, but it's going to get me the money that I want, the income that I need to get. And that's another thing. Like, what do you want? What do you want in life? Do you want to pursue your passion? Of course, you could get a lot of money out of that if you have a nice passion, a passion that is scalable or is going to pay you a lot of money eventually, like playing football or basketball or something like that. Eventually, you can get a lot of money. Doing YouTube is a passion for some people. But is it, for example, like gardening or drawing? Drawing could get you a lot of money, but something like gardening or painting could get a lot of money. Maybe something that you really like that won't get you a lot of money. Like playing basketball but never going somewhere or never pursuing it to get money, or having an Insta meme page, for example, but never doing something to actually monetize from it. Making a job out of it. So yeah, it's going to be hard, but it's going to be easy at the same time if you really want it and are really dedicated to get the money. So yeah, data analysis. That's one skill that you could do to get a high income job. Next one is software development. And everything out here is like IT stuff. We got web development, project management, data analysis, account management. These are things like high income skills, but you need to like learn it and invest a lot of time in it, because people have studied this, made a job out of it, and they're getting like 50K a year. And you might say like, all right, 50K is all right, but you still have to work a 9 to 5. And that's a lot. For me, I don't want a 9 to 5. I just want to have the freedom you get when becoming an entrepreneur, for example. Or doing something else that is scalable and you don't have to work 24/7 or have to be present at all time to make money. Like doing YouTube, for example. It is a skill and it's going to be very good on your CV as well to, do something that is out of the box. It's not even modern. It's not even considered modern these days. Having a YouTube channel, a very good one, or doing something else that is going to help yourself out. Like, I said it already, but I don't know what age you are. If you need to listen to this, start. If you're young, you could get money a lot. This right here, your present, isn't going to, it's not going to stay forever like this. Things could change for you, And if you really want it and are really dedicated to it, do your best, for real, do your best. If you need to hear this, do your best. Get a mindset, get a goal. What do you want? All right, you don't know what to do? Start researching this. Data analysis, for example, software development, web development, project management, data analysis. Oh, I got data analysis second time. Account management, bro. These are things these are 5 jobs. 5 skills that could land you a job and get you 100K a year. Not in the first year, but 100% in your 4th year of working. And to you, maybe it's not a lot, but if you look at your dad or your mom, if she's working like 100K a year, it's going to be a lot. And everyone can do this. Everyone can do this. Just go to the internet, type on Google right now, data analysis, and learn everything, every single thing that is to be learned about data analysis. Put it on your CV, LinkedIn. Start applying for jobs, say that you know this and you got this skill very well. I'm sure, 100% sure, if you keep on grinding with things like these. It's easy to say it like that, but you need to be there full time. If you're a student, I know it's going to be hard. Just ask for like, do you have a part-time position? Be like that, straightforward. Ask what you need, knows what you have. yeah, shoot your shot, and that's it. This is real advice, bro. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you're here. You need to get money. I know, and this is for your future plan. What if you're like 23, 24? Start doing this, researching this. By the end of the year, like right now is October 2022. All right, if you start researching this all the way to like May 2023, you'll have landed the job 100%. But you gotta stay consistent with it. You gotta learn, get out of your comfort zone. It's hard, I know, it's hard, but you gotta get out of it. And you gotta start doing more than just dreaming. Because dreams ain't getting you nowhere. Sitting on your couch ain't getting you nowhere. Playing video games ain't getting you nowhere. Unless you got like dreams to become a streamer, YouTuber. Could be that. But you gotta do it in a good way. Otherwise you won't get a lot of money out of it, Because you couldn't, these people all the way in YouTube, like KSI, like Sideman, for example, like iShowSpeed, they have grinded all the way to get there. And you don't see it, I don't see it, but they have grinded all the way. You don't get that personality out of nowhere, It's not given to you like that. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. Fix yourself, fix your mindset, stay consistent. Consistency is key. Stay consistent and you'll get there. All right, for next advice, subscribe. If you came all the way here, you're a real G. Subscribe. I'm going to put a lot of effort in this channel. I swear to God, I really want you to succeed, just like how I want myself to succeed, and eventually, have that amazing income that you wanted. That's all there is to it. Have a nice day. I'll keep you updated, and subscribe. Peace.